Welcome to Powerviz. Let's explore top 5 features of the Date Picker visual by Powerviz, an advanced date slicer that takes page-level filtering in Power BI to the next level. Highly customizable and developer-friendly, it's packed with intelligent features that save time and make your reports more interactive. Set a starting date range for your reports, whether it's last week, today, or even a custom period. Perfect for making sure your end users land on the right view every time. Quickly switch between commonly used ranges like today, last week, or YDD. You can even create your own custom presets for a tailored experience. Compare and analyze data across multiple periods simultaneously, ideal for trend analysis and making comparisons at a glance. Choose from 15 plus professionally crafted templates or design your own theme. Adjust colors, borders, opacity, and more to match your brand or design needs. Personalize your date picker by highlighting holidays or weekends with over 1,000 icon options. Plus, it supports bookmarking, cross-filtering, and slicer syncing for seamless interactivity across your reports. With the Powerviz Date Picker, you're not just selecting dates, you're shaping a smoother, more insightful experience for every Power BI user. Try it now and transform the way you filter time-based data. Download from AppSource or our website Powerviz AI.